In the past few months, we started to receive questions regarding the safety at production environment. More specifically, it was about the operators working on top of the production machines. This is what triggered us to develop this new configuration. My name is Saurav and I'm an engineer at Movocolor. Every potential customer has different needs. That's why often we involve our R&D department to think along with them. Together we then come up with the best possible configuration for that possible client. Normally, the dosing unit is mounted on top of the production machine, as you can see behind me. But let me introduce you to our new offline dosing configuration. This is the same MDS Balance configuration which you usually find on top of the production machine, but this time we have it placed on a portable trolley. A collection funnel is located under the neckpiece. The unique funnel design creates a Venturi effect by using the compressed air. The dose material is then transported through a flexible hose to the second neckpiece on top of the processing machine. The dosing unit can be placed at a distance of up to 10 meters from the receiving neckpiece. Since it's an offline setup, the maintenance or the color change does not require an operator to climb on top of the production machine where the support is limited. The safety increases along with the efficiency while maintaining dosing accuracy. If you would like to know more about a new offline dosing configuration, make sure to reach out to your local distributor or give us a call.